Here we have 1984, I'm sorry, 4231 Osage Avenue. And this is, just one of those situations where, somebody buys into a property and they get a contractor that just really, really let them down. And it's so sad when something like this happens. They really left them in the lurch here. And so now we have an owner that just simply wants out. It's just too much for them to really deal with. And it's a shame because this is truly one of the most exquisite, or will be one of the most exquisite homes. It's phenomenal. The architectural details here, the original lamps and fixtures are stunning. We have just a beautiful carved wood and turned wood fireplace. It's been gas logs now. The stained glass in the space is exquisite. We have exposed brick in the property, which is really great. Gives it a little bit more of a modern vibe. And, so we've got a contractor that came in and just did a number, which is such a shame. It really is. Wow. Get so much light in here. Wow, this contractor really did a number. We have so much potential in this property. It's just really, man, you hate to see it. Property 3 doors down was renovated properly and just sold for, I think, $750, $735, something in that realm. Just really, really exquisite. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go downstairs here and see what we have. Old oil tank. They started to frame it out nice and high. Ceilings in the basement. It's a very narrow property, but wow, that's kind of crazy. I'm gonna hop down in here just because I like to see the workings of a place. Started to put in brand new, plumbing. New electric was going in. Old oil tank was going out. A nice 200 amp service went in. Some hot water heater. It's fairly dry down here, which is nice. Not a hint of mildew or musty smell. And back here would have been, I think we're going to do laundry. HVAC is sitting here, but it hasn't been utilized. I could have gone up the stairs there instead of jumping down. I didn't even notice. So focused. Beams. There's a little dry rot, but these are pretty level. Maybe a little off, but nothing significant. Let's look at the back. The back is, hopefully there's another way to get to the back. I might move this concrete here so we can go see the back, but this goes back, wow, 135 feet, really great depth, pretty awesome. Next door with their deck, get some beautiful trees back here. Lovely, just really lovely. Marble countertop. This could have been really, really lovely. Okay, let's go up. So we have spacious coat closet. Wow. Okay. Any lights down here? Let's see. Let me try this. Okay, no. So, okay, we're gonna go up. Okay, let's go to the rear. The front here. So get a little more light going. Nice. Doors original. Wonderful little details. There's an inlay of a paint, but original. Great view. Little manicured yard there. Not the light switch. There would be one. Yeah. Not working. Okay. It looks like they busted through here, and this would have been an ensuite bath. Light. And so we're putting an ensuite bath here. Okay, back down the hallway. Embossed plaster all over. Okay. The original tub in the place. Very amazing. Stained glass is gorgeous. So we're putting in another full bath here, I believe. This was probably the original bath. Looks like it with the tile. Nice little relief work. Okay, let me see if I can get some light in here. Okay, oh, there we go. Yeah, so here's the original little decorative tile. Very lovely. Little Parisian minor micro subway tiles. Very cute. Again, stunning stained glass. Wow. People want to know what knob and tube is. This is knob and tube wiring here coming out. Wow. What a shame. Just sad. Okay, let's go up. Let's see if we have a light fixture. No. Okay. Beautiful. I love the wonderful detail on the banisters coming up. Exposed brick wall. It's pretty great. Okay. These built-ins are just phenomenal. Look at that detail. A little area to sit out here. It's pretty great. This would be great if they had the permits to put a deck on. It'd be phenomenal. Did there. Got back. I don't think I'm going to fall through. So cute. I mean, all of them have this. At least a window. Yeah, pretty great. Out into your backyard and the refuse pile. Let's see what the neighbors did here. A little vertigo. There we go. Down to the edge so you can see it looking down. Oh, I hate it. Okay. These wood is about to go. So we've had water, intruding here, incursion through the doorway. It's not surprising. You see that often. These built-ins, just glorious. Beams exposed, and this property has a loft, little loft space, which is pretty clever. Okay, we have again, I guess we're putting in a little bath area here or walk-in closet. That would be lovely. Front room. Wonderful chests. All these doors. Oh, here's the piece de resistance. It's this wonderful, wonderful little how phenomenal is it to have this little pied-à-terre? Just great details. A little loft space up there. This beautiful, beautiful brick. Right. Oh, love the brick. Just crazy beautiful. Just amazing detail. Sad to see that start to go. Oh man, this place needs some major work, but oh, how beautiful would it be to restore this to what would really be just, absolutely glorious space. Wow. Love the rough hewn stairwell ladder up to the loft, which is just phenomenal. How great is this? More wood bench. The library area. Let's see if the lights on up here. Maybe a little challenging. Let's see. Nope. Fine. This probably originally was open and lofted, I guess. Well, I'm seeing wood. No, maybe the floor did go all the way across. I have a little skylight. This could use a little help. If that was clear, that would be really lovely. Just a picture window. Exquisite. Just exquisite. This is lofted out over here. Wow, just amazing. It's sad when the contractors just go rogue on you. They really, really tore this place up and then just left, high and dry. You just hate to see this happen to anyone. You really do. It's just so unfair, really. Wow. Yeah. So, this is a lot. Someone who really cares, about this place and cares about, being in West Philadelphia in an amazing neighborhood that is in the Penn Alexander catchment, which allows kids to go to Philadelphia's public schools that are in the catchment, and it is essentially funded by UPenn, extravagantly funded actually, and wonderful schools, just wonderful, wonderful schools. Homes in the Penn Alexander catchment, traditionally fetch prices that are 100,000, maybe even 150,000 now, more than an identical home across the street that does not lie within the catchment. Yeah, a lot of work to do, just a lot of work. But for someone that really has a love of homes, given the low inventory in this area, and it is remarkably low, there is so little to be had here. It would be just a beautiful thing to see someone really make the best of this and really do something really special with it. Okay, this is just really exquisite. Wish it could be me, but it's not going to be. But someone, I hope, will take this on. If I can show you this property, I would certainly love to do so. It does incidentally come with plans and architectural renderings for the work that needs to be done, and they are exceptional. Once it's done, this home would easily sell for, as I said, $750,000. Is currently 515 listed. It's only been on the market a few days. Would love to show it to you. If anybody would like to take a look, please do reach out to me. This is Lee O'Malley. I want to thank the agent that allowed me to show this property. His information will be at the bottom of this video. So it was courtesy of him and his brokerage. And this is Lee O'Malley with Weichert Realtors in Doylestown. Please do reach out if I can assist you in any way. My number is 215-805-4828. Happy to show you this or any home in the Philadelphia, Bucks County, Montgomery County area. I'm licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And look forward to working with you. Thanks so much for going on this tour with me. It's just an absolute pleasure.